Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Prospective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit ProspectivePlans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Prospective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone and welcome to Prospective Plans. In today's video, we're going to be planning in my Every Penny Counts Daily Budget Planner, colorful edition. This planner is available in print form at Amazon.com, of course, and in digital at ProspectivePlans.com. You can use our code PLAN20 for 20% off. And yeah, so now without further ado, I don't know why I still haven't put any tabs on here, but that's me. But yes, now without further ado, let's get into planning. All right, so many people take no care of their money till they come nearly to the end of it. And others do just the same with their time. Johann, Wolfgang, von Goethe. A very good quote for June. We're already halfway through the year. This year has gone by so fast and yet so slow at the same time. But, you know, that's that. So the same goal I have is the same goal I had from last month, which of course is saving for semi-annual sales and deals. Okay, so I think that's good. As far as dates to remember, I don't have a whole lot going on, which I'm grateful for, because I like having peace in the summer, because I feel like it's too hot for drama. What about you? But yeah, I've got the skills to pay the bills. I sure do. It's Pride Month. Happy Pride Month to you if you celebrate. Well, not if you celebrate, but you know, if you're living out loud and living as yourself, darling. Congratulations. But yes, all right, so, and if you hate that people are living in their truth, I hope you get exposed for whatever secret you are hiding. And we're gonna stop with the messiness and jump into the plan. It's Father's Day and Juneteenth. Hopefully I'll be off from work on Juneteenth, God willing. Did I use all my bill pay stickers? Alright, so okay, the first, so we'll do rent. We'll just add a sticker over there like we did last month. If I can find it, come on. And I am glad that I already added my payday stickers. So that's good. Alright, so we got gas. And that's going to be every other week. Okay. So I have these two I need to use. And they're blank. So the third. And then of course the 7th as well. And that's my car payment. There we go. What else we got? Capital One. And that'll be the last of the sticker sheet, which is great. It's the 10th or the 11th? Yep, the 10th. And that's the 23rd for regular car insurance. So I'll put that here. And just to get rid of this sticker sheet, I'm just going to do what I did last month, which is adding different icons over it. Just to get rid of the stickers, because I have a lot of insurance stickers that I haven't used. Because there's like fire insurance and all kinds of different versions of insurance stickers. And I think that's a good way to get rid of them. So why not? We get Capital One. There. 16 and 17. The 18th. Okay. The 27th. Yeah, for visible. And that's my phone service. Well, cell phone. Unlimited talk, text, data, and of course hotspot, because I'm always sharing my internet with like my iPad on the go, which is super helpful. And it's only $25 a month, but since I pay my brothers as well, it's $50. Alright, so $50. And let's add some more icons really quick. I think that's just 16 and 17, 2 credit cards. So then the 18th is the light bill. Alright, so what else do we have? The 20th. Alright, so we got cost internet. Alright, so the 20th. Alright, the 20th. I did rent. The 3rd is what? Hulu. Where's the other 2? The 3rd and the 24th. It's the 10th. Okay, so the 24th. Netflix. I forgot to do my student loan. I think it's the 21st. Yeah. Alright, so that's the end of those sticker sheets. Well, that sticker sheet. So I just need a grad camp. Oh, come on, sticker. There we go. Okay. I think that's it. Well, almost. The 1st and the 3rd. The 10th is what? Oh, Capital One. I was looking for my credit card sticker. There we go. Whoop, there we go. All right, Hulu, and then $3.30. Then we got Capital One. And then Capital One. No, not Capital One, Chase. And then we got Entergy. I think that's Netflix. Yep. $7.70. Then we have car insurance. $287. Okay. Cox Internet. And student loan. And then we have regular car payment. So I guess I have grocery. I did gas. Okay, so groceries. We'll do groceries on Sunday. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at ProspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Alright, so I guess we'll just do it bi-weekly. And I'll just add the icon and write it in my weekly spending. And that'll work. Now let's add this little piggy bank here. I don't have a full goal, just a comfortable amount that I'd be happy with spending for a sale, if that makes sense. So yeah, now I just need to decorate. So we have all of this here, which is a pretty good amount of space to work with. So let's just find some decorative stickers. Don't quit your daydreaming, which is good. Replace your what if with even if. So much world, so little time. Now this says wander with them, I guess. Anything else? Alright. Alright, so we'll use less stuff, no meaning, or more meaning, yes. There we go. And I guess we'll add daydreaming. Buy less, choose well. Your future looks so bright, which is oh so true. Alright, what else we got? Hopefully I can find something, Lord. I am not having the best look right now. Keep going, and then you got this. Oh crap. I guess that's all we're gonna do since I can't find any other decorative stickers. But yeah, thanks so much for planning with me today, and I'll see you in the very, very next one. Bye y'all. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/Prospective Plans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.